Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am making Instant Pot Disneyland Enchilada Soup. And today I'm cooking in my Instant Pot. Now if you don't have an Instant Pot, don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to do it in the slow cooker also. All right guys, let's go make this Instant Pot Disneyland Enchilada Soup. So you're gonna start by putting 2 or 3 chicken breasts in the bottom of your Instant Pot. Now these are chicken tenders. You can use tenders or you can use chicken breasts. Now if you are making this in the slow cooker, you're going to do the same exact thing that I do in my Instant Pot, except when it's cooking, you're going to cook for 6 to 8 hours on low. Next you're going to add 2 cloves of garlic. I also like to use the minced garlic, so it's about 1 teaspoon. Next you're going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Oop, got a little too much there. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire or whatever you call it. 1 teaspoon of that sauce. Then add 1 teaspoon of Tabasco sauce in it. Now that seems like a lot, but it actually isn't too spicy. If your kids are funny about spice, maybe do a ½ teaspoon. Then on top of that, I'm going to add 1 small chopped onion. Next, add 1 chopped red pepper. Now, they didn't have red peppers at my store, so I used an orange one. Then 1 can of drained black beans. Then you're going to add 1 can of corn. You're not going to drain the corn, dump everything in. Next, add 2 cups of your favorite enchilada sauce. Then you're going to add 4 cups of chicken broth. Now, I love to get these big containers because I know it's already 4 cups and I can just dump the whole thing in without measuring. Next, you're going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, and then you're ready to cook. If you're doing the Instant Pot, make sure you turn the handle and make sure the little thing is on sealing, not venting. If you're cooking with the slow cooker, put the lid on and set it for 6 to 8 hours. With the Instant Pot, you're going to go manual for 20 minutes. Now when it's done cooking, I did a quick release, so that means I pushed it over to venting and let all the steam out. Then I'm going to take the lid off. Oh, it smells so good. Now I'm just going to find my chicken and shred it. Now with the Instant Pot, it is going to be really hard to hold on to and it will shred very, very easily. Now when you're done shredding your chicken, you're going to add 1/2 cup of cream and then about a ½ cup of sour cream. I might add a little more because I love when it's nice and creamy. Then when you're done with that, stir it in a little bit so the sour cream can melt and the cream will mix in pretty good. Next, you're going to add 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Mix it really well until everything is melted and well combined. Now, if you're doing this in the slow cooker, you're going to do the same exact thing. You're just going to make sure it's still on low while your sour cream and cheese are melting. When it's all done, I like to serve it with cheese, so the cheese is melting, some little tortilla strips, and cilantro on top. Alright guys, we'll see you later. Have a good day.